Exploring SNP in Mouse. Watson et al. In the paper Altered Metabolic Signature in Pre-Diabetic NOD Mice have described several regulatory and coding SNPs, some of them in genes residing within the previously defined insulin-dependent diabetes IDD regions. The authors describe that one of the identified SNPs in the murine XDH gene, RS29522348, would lead to an amino acid substitution and could be damaging as predicted by SIFT. Part A. Where is the SNP located? On which chromosome and what are the coordinates? To find more information about this SNP, we're first going to specify our species of interest from this drop-down menu and choose Mouse. We're then going to type in our RSID. Once we're happy with our specifications, we're now going to click Go. We're now on the Variant tab. We can find information about the location of this SNP in the Location line. This SNP is located on chromosome 17, and we also have its genomic coordinate. Part B. What is the HGVS recommendation nomenclature for this SNP? We can find information about this variant's HGVS names in the HGVS names line. This variant has 5 HGVS names, and we can show all of them by clicking on this plus button. Part C. Why does Ensemble put the C allele first as C/T? We can find the alleles associated with this SNP in the alleles line, which is shown as C/T. We have the reference allele, and then we have the alternative allele. In Ensemble, the allele that is present in the reference genome is always put first. C is the allele for the reference mouse genome strain C57BL/6J. Part D. Are there any differences between the genotypes reported in NOD/LTJ and BALB/CBYJ according to the Prolgen panel? To find the answer to Part D, we're going to go to the sample genotypes on the left-hand side. We're going to scroll down to the summary of genotypes by population, and we're going to click Show for the Prolgen Panel 2. The genotypes reported for BALB/CBYJ is C homozygous, whereas for NOD/LTJ mouse strain, the genotype is T homozygous.